ClickUp features, strengths, weaknesses. ClickUp is a project management platform striving to be the one app to replace them all, and that ambition defines its feature set. Key features include highly customizable task management, supporting multiple views like Kanban boards, Gantt charts, lists, and calendars. Time tracking is built in, as are robust reporting and analytics. ClickUp also boasts excellent collaboration tools, including in-app commenting, document creation, and real-time editing. Automation is another strong suit, allowing users to create custom rules to streamline repetitive tasks. Who is ClickUp for? It's primarily designed for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, needing a central hub for project management, task tracking, and team communication. It's especially appealing to those who want extreme customization and control over their workflows. Now, let's dive into the strengths. The platform's biggest advantage is its unparalleled customizability. You can tailor nearly every aspect of the interface and workflow to fit your specific needs. The free plan is surprisingly generous, offering a substantial amount of functionality for smaller teams. ClickUp's constant development and feature updates mean it's continually improving and adding value. However, ClickUp has weaknesses. Its complexity can be overwhelming for new users. The sheer number of options and settings can lead to a steep learning curve. Performance can sometimes be an issue, particularly with large workspaces and complex projects. Navigation can feel convoluted at times, requiring users to click through multiple menus to find what they need. Support can be slow to respond, especially for users on lower-tier plans. Finally, a few words on integrations. While ClickUp integrates with many popular tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and Dropbox, the integration process isn't always seamless and may require additional configuration. So, in summary, ClickUp is a powerful and highly customizable project management platform. Its strengths lie in its flexibility, comprehensive feature set, and generous free plan. However, its complexity, performance issues, and occasionally confusing navigation can be drawbacks. If you're looking for a project management solution that can be tailored to your exact needs and you're willing to invest the time to learn the platform, ClickUp is definitely worth considering. But if you prefer a simpler, more intuitive interface, you might want to explore other options.